Hello everyone. Today we will cook stuffed shrimp. So I have frozen shrimp in the freezer for a while and I thought of how to make it a little bit special. Using a handheld processor, or if you have a food processor machine, process the herbs and spices until it breaks down evenly to a smooth mix. If you have a wooden toothpick, it works perfectly. This is a leftover oil from my previous recipe, stuffed chicken with rice. Definitely check that out. Link is on the screen and in description box below. It's easier for me to pick the stuffing from the smaller bowl, but you can definitely skip this process. Alright, our shrimp is done and let's plate it. I tried this last piece and it's so good. Pour that sauce over the shrimp to get that extra juicy delicious. So, what do you think of this recipe, guys? Would you try it? Give me a comment if you try it and how you think about it.